That's regarding. Hi, Sanjay Agarwal, right? Friends, here we are at the iFix Gallery. So this is Goldie Malhotra's exhibition, painting art exhibition. She's around here. हम लोग उनका आर्टिस्ट से भी मिलेंगे और उनका भी इंटरव्यू करेंगे. So we have some students who were pursuing architecture. So welcome. What's your name?
Muskan Jha.
Muskan. So Muskan, आपको you've been here for a while.
Yeah, I have been here for a while, or the theme has inspired me a bit. Like the medium which ma'am has chosen, spatula से painting करी है उन्होंने. It's very subtle to the eyes. बहुत bold art form है. And उसके अलावा जो उन्होंने बुद्धिज्म का concept लिया है, the concept of Buddhism, the concept of Hindu mythology. Actually, we can call it Indian mythology. And अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उन्होंने कुछ सर्टल एवरीडे लाइफ स्टिल्स भी लिए हैं. तो ओवरऑल द होल आर्ट एग्जीबिशन इज serene to the eye and it gives calm inside and एक thought.
Solace.
Yeah,
Gives you a peaceful.
yeah, and एक thought provoke करता है कि why we can't do the things that ma'am is doing. कि उन्होंने इतना अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट उनके दिमाग में आया है and then she used her spatula to make it on the canvas. And now we can reimagine what has happened centuries back. We can talk about the stories once again, and it gives so much pleasure.
अभी ये जो है we see some fish and we some यहाँ पे वो एक footprints है तो इसके बारे में how do you feel about this painting?
Yeah, this is like जैसे बाकी सारी paintings है, they are very vibrant. But when we see this painting, this is kind of subtle. सारे colors जो मैम ने use करे हैं, pink and blue का combination लेके, she has given the main picture to the fishes, 23 fishes, and there is a like foot, बुद्धा का जो foot है, and it takes back to the story takes us back to the Buddha stepping in the lotus field.
Right.
तो उसमें मछलियाँ हैं. It gives a whole image of the how.
I think you've described it very beautifully. I want to come to you, Muskan. आपने कभी पेंटिंग करी है?
Yeah, I do paint. I'm not great at painting, but in my
क्या what have you done? Sketching or क्या
yeah,
करा?
I basically mainly go with pencil art. Sometimes I use pen to draw, and rarely I do use brushes. But I have never experienced with spatula, so it's great to see
As
the.
you told me this is spatula, so that's very specialized.
Exactly, this is very specialized art forms. Making everything with spatula with this much detail, it's great in
Would you like to
itself.
buy this? Would
Uh,
you like to buy this?
yeah, surely. When it's time that I'm pursuing my studies,
Right.
after a few times, I'll surely buy this art form.
Thank you. And Abhi, other than architecture, what other interests you have?
Yeah, I have my personal interest in mythology and Buddhism and all these concepts. So it was such a great experience for me to visit this.
We'll take a break और अभी मुस्कान के साथ हम लोग जाएंगे जो उनकी दूसरी पेंटिंग जो आपने बोला ना with Lord Buddha stepping. We'll go there. We'll have a break.
So, as we watch the footprints and the fishes, now we can see the before part of that. So, here's the dip in the lotus pond. Buddha is stepping into the pond. So, that's the Jataka story that ma'am has told with her beautiful spatula art.
Excellent. So इसमें I think as I see today, there's a lot of Lord Buddha जो भगवान बुद्ध का है. So your influence spiritually?
Yeah, I am inclined towards mythology, as I stated before as well, and I have also personally read through a lot of books. And when going through all these stories in the form of spatula art, that gives like a thought in itself. Like it's a different kind of expression in itself. When you read through the scriptures and your text, you have some kind of imaginary in your mind. But when you see some artist's work in the form of any art form, that gives a completely different story. And there are two thoughts merging together, and then there is a deeper thought going on.
Wonderful. आपने कहाँ से करा है pursue architecture?
Yeah, I have pursued my architecture degree from NIT Patna. Yeah.
Okay. And अभी Delhi में this is one gallery which is the oldest gallery, iFix gallery. आपने और कोई gallery visit किया है?
Actually, I have been to other places. As of Delhi, I didn't had the time to explore much.
No issues. And coming to Patna, now we are in India. You know, we have India. The Prime Minister's Narendra Modi's vision is for a Viksit Bharat. We got independence in 1947. So 2047 में प्रधानमंत्री का सपना है कि हमारे जो युवा हैं, आप लोग हैं, they will be driving the growth engine. We have moved places in the world ladder. So how do you see what the youth, आप लोग अपने आप को कहाँ देख रहे हैं? What is your contribution to the nation building?
As of the nation building that our honorable prime minister is looking forward for 2047, I have personally visited to so many events which was basically focused on the development of 2047. And as of Bihar, there is one great initiative going on there that is going there, and the main focus is again that what is stated 2047, that IPS Vikas Vaibhav sir is taking around.
Viksit Bharat.
Yeah, Viksit Bharat Abhiyan. So, as of the youth, how we can take part like our Prime Minister Modi do the Man Ki Baat. He states what is his vision actually for the.
You think it is a right step? मन की बात जो ऑल इंडिया रेडियो पे आता है संडे टू संडे, आपको लगता है ये एक अच्छा कदम है?
Actually, it's a great initiative, not just good, it's great. Why? Because पहले क्या था, if there is a thought inside my mind or किसी के भी मन में, ठीक है, we can just keep it to ourselves, but now we can post it to the Prime Minister's
Exactly.
portal, and the team goes through it, and then the Prime Minister addresses it.
परीक्षा पे चर्चा.
Exactly. So every परीक्षा पे चर्चा हो गई या कोई भी एवरी मन की बात का एपिसोड, ही टेक्स इन द टॉपिक्स विच द स्टूडेंट्स और द like the all the people who give in the thought, the team goes through it, and then उसके बाद जो एक पुट फॉरवर्ड करते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी अपनी मन की बात, तो इट्स ग्रेट टू हियर. और उनका जो एक्चुअल विजन है, एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर का जो पूरे देश को चला रहे हैं, जो हर कुछ देखते हैं, जो बाहर भी जाके देश विदेश में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर देखते हैं, तो उसके बाद उनका विजन क्या है अपने कंट्री के लिए, वो जब हमारे जैसे युवा जानते हैं, तो इट्स ग्रेट इन इटसेल्फ.
Wonderful. I just today we attended one border security force का press conference थी अभी just 1 hour back. तो उसमें the statue, the Run for Unity, it's about Sardar Patel, the Iron Man, Loha Purush. The war is going to happen in the coming, by the end of the month, केवड़िया में, जहाँ पे one of the statues of Sardar Patel has been built. आप लोग visit करा?
As of now, I haven't visited,
Would you like
but
to go?
yeah, I would love to go there. And
As a student of architecture,
yeah,
it's a marvel.
I would love to go there.
Wonderful.
Surely.
So I think thank you very much. And Muskan, I would like you to call one of your friends if they can join us. आप आ जाओ, come. Please come.
Abhishek will join
Abhishek,
now.
come Abhishek. Please. Muskan will do the shooting. Please go in. We'll do.
Hello, sir.
Hi, hello.
Hello, sir.
So your name Abhishek.
It's Abhishek. I'm from NIT Calicut.
Calicut?
Yes, sir,
Wow.
Kerala.
Oh.
But I'm from Andhra Pradesh
I've been
originally.
there, I've been there.
Oh, wonderful,
I've
sir.
traveled to Kerala for about 16 days, 14 days backwaters.
Wow.
So we went from Bangalore to Bangalore, Rameshwaram, then, every place.
City to visit. Yes. It's a must and should visit place.
Completed?
No, I'm currently in my 7th semester. Yes, sir. I'll be having 3 more semesters back there.
So my question to you is, why did you choose architecture? Can you hold this?
Yeah, thank you. So usually for science, everybody just can go and take a part of science. It's I mean, in my opinion, it's just everybody can do it. But art, as in persons who kindly believe that art is completely different. It's not same as everything, and a part of architecture is belong to art. So
Wonderful. Today that brings
yeah,
me here.
yeah.
Goldie G's exhibition.
Yes,
Wonderful.
art and architecture is never be same.
Right.
It's like
Is there
art.
break?
Yes, sir.
Architecture का कोई break होता है? मतलब can you separate into words? Art, I mean,
Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah. It's like we can say it as in engineering that was completely defined by art. That is architecture, in my opinion.
So I think very good.
Thank you, sir.
इनका जो आप देख रहे हैं अभी we are speaking to your colleagues Muskan.
Yes, sir.
And you are right now into internship.
Yes, I'm in internship
Where
working in CP Kukreza office.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
तो इधर आप देख रहे हैं इधर लॉर्ड बुद्धा का है.
Yes, sir.
हमारे पीछे you see lot of work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अभी मुस्कान ने इस पेंटिंग को बताया कि dip in the lotus pond. और जहाँ पे हम वॉकिंग कर रहे थे वहाँ पे उन्होंने दिखाया कि उनका फीट
Yeah, in the water, yeah.
तो आपको इधर कौन सी पेंटिंग पे अपन लोग चलते हैं जो आपको बेस्ट लगा?
So I thought there's a painting of
This one.
yes, sir, Thakur's Echoes. Yeah.
पॉज लेंगे इसमें पॉज लेंगे इसके अंदर पॉज कर देंगे प्लीज.
So
So we are here with Abhishek Thakur's.
not mine, but yeah, I
The
found
viewer is,
I found the painting fascinating because it's both controversial and contemporary. As we see, the Thakur's, the rich caste, as if I'm not wrong, of India is covering the god in a differential pose, which is not supposed to be that to be shown in front of the god. As we can see, he's just vibing to the music and not. But Ma Kali, he's watching behind him, saying that is not a good thing in my opinion. I'm saying yes, yes.
आपको वो आ रहा है नाम क्या माँ काली का? नहीं, so माँ काली अभी काली पूजा था एंड आपने तो जैसे ठाकुर मेरे के दिमाग में आया कि जो रामकृष्ण परमहंस थे,
Yeah.
you know, yeah, so I thought he's that one. तो मेरे माइंड में तो और कुछ आ रहा था, so therefore I said there's nothing like that, but wonderful. So we'll move to some other painting. Please come. We'll move. So friends, we have behind me माँ काली दुर्गा पूजा. अभी जो हमारा दुशहरा उत्सव था, नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल था, तो नॉर्थ में ऐसे अलग है, ईस्ट इंडिया में अलग होता है, तो सब जगह अलग है. आप थोड़ा सा.
So I'm from South, so I didn't attend much festivals of Ma Durga. So this is one of my lifetime moment to watch Durga Puja in Kolkata. So this fascinated me to it catches my attention because you see when I'm a photographer. So when we see photographs, we don't see the details and all completely in the first glance. So this is just that attracts everyone, catches eye. So this catches my eye just because of the composition and colors, and it's just beautifully abstracted with the art and propositions. Yeah.
You're following this Durga is
Yeah, killing Narakasura.
Narakasura.
Yes.
You're following that. And this is
The girls beautifully dance in front of with a torch.
sense that agarbatti and
Yeah,
all that.
Aarti.
Very good. So in Kerala, how do you celebrate Onam and how do you celebrate your other festivals?
I'm not natively from Kerala, but I do.
No, since we have grown up there,
So in Onam,
we are all Bharatiya.
yeah, yes, that's
I
for sure.
feel कि
Yeah.
मेरा बस चलेगा तो मैं किसी को बोलूंगा कि एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज होना चाहिए. जो हमारा डिवीजन हुआ है ना इंडिया का भाषाओं पे, वो गलत हुआ है. अभी आई वाज इन मीटिंग इन जो ब्राजील. So Mr.
Okay.
Piyush Goyal was there, the Minister of Commerce,
Yeah, yeah.
and the Brazilian Vice President was there. Now they were all using the headphone, and उनका जो भाषण चल रहा है वो शायद पोर्चुगीज में चल रहा है. मैं भी कुछ समझने नहीं आ रहा है
Yeah.
मुझे. Then the friend who's sitting next to me is from Brazil. I asked him, he said, "Oh, this is there." Then I got one. So India maybe people are trying.
Yeah.
I'll try to. मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा. अगर माहौल नहीं है, then I have to speak in English. I come to Kerala, and you people suppose I ask you in something in English, and you say no, you have to learn
Yeah, Malayalam and-
Malayalam, and then we will react. So
That's
somewhere
not-
our growth, the future generation, you
getting
guys are not
stopped.
looking for. Yeah. So you continue, please.
So during Onam, it's such a beautiful festival where it's celebrated because of farmers,
The festive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
growth of
Harvest.
harvesting. Yeah. So during those days, it will be very beautiful to see all the people in traditional attire, and you'll get good food. I mean, one of the best Kerala meal those days. Yeah. Usually you can get the meal anytime, but during Onam time it will be completely different, and all the vibes and all will be so good. And
I live in Delhi. I have a banyan tree, mango tree, and also this केले का पेड़ है मेरे घर में.
Banana
अभी
tree.
दिवाली में मैंने उसका पत्ता निकाल के
Yeah.
पूजा के स्थान पे उसको I put it there. So
That's
that
our
would give
roots,
me that.
yeah.
Yeah, that gave me so much freshness. No gold and no silver
Can get that.
Gives that peace of mind. So wonderful. And what are your future plans?
My future plans, I wanted to be a photographer, a full-time
So you
photographer.
started? When did you start like me? I started when I was a child.
Oh, as
I
in-
started with black and white.
that's nice.
My father got a camera from America, Soligar.
Okay.
It was 110, single reflex.
Oh.
Then we had a click 3, click 4. Then we had a photo hot shot.
yeah, of
with a
everything
cassette
combined
screen.
together.
Then first it was like 12 exposures, then 24 exposure. Then I bought a Minolta from America. That was 36 exposure.
Oh.
Now I've got this mirrorless. So I'm a journalist and I'm been into a lot of advertising and public relations, but being a photographer is my first love. I want to capture people. Normally I'm not behind the camera. Means I'm always behind.
yeah,
it.
always.
But now I want to be in the front of the camera.
That's why I'm so shy to be in
No,
front
you
of
have to be. So what have you? आपने क्या shoot किया?
I shoot mostly architecture, portraits, yeah, as a part of as a
Architecture, you mean buildings?
yes sir. As being an architecture students, we travel a lot, so
Yes.
I do travel photography. Not as in much like as in to share. I don't share
Been
much.
to the School of Planning and Architecture.
Yes sir, in Delhi. Yes.
So how do you find that?
That is way more creative. As in like our college.
Yeah, I started going there in '93. That
Oh,
time when
that's
I
nice.
started my media job. So what do you think that जो Lutyens Delhi है, Lutyens Delhi एक है, जो New Delhi area है, this was built by a French architect, Le Corbusier.
हाँ, Le Corbusier.
And आपको लगता है कि मतलब he has created something very good for India. जो राष्ट्रपति भवन है ना, रायसीना हिल है,
Yeah.
जैसे जनपथ, राजपथ, कर्तव्य पथ, द पार्लियामेंट, वो राउंड था पार्लियामेंट, अभी इन्होंने
Square.
उसको ट्राइंगल बना दिया है। और वो ब्रोकन ट्राइंगल टाइप का है, नॉट फुल ट्राइंगल, इट्स लाइक अ रोम्बस। सो आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट होने के कारण अगर आपको डिजाइन कर दिया जाए, मान लीजिए आपके जो फ्रेंड सामने खड़े हैं, कोई पीएफ बन जाए, कई लोग पटना से हैं, अभी चिराग पासवान जीत जाएंगे तो इनको बना देंगे मंत्री कि चलो अगले 2-4 साल में ये लोग बन जाएंगे कि पार्लियामेंट को, ये वाले को तो मोदी ने अच्छा नहीं बनाया। अब आर्किटेक्ट हम लोग हैं तो कौन सा कैसे बनेगा? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज
So
for a parliament, what
India
is
is
required?
very rich for its temple architecture and
Wow.
architecture of it itself.
Yes.
So, in my perspective, I don't think I'm like completely correct, but I feel like we should have more focus on
आप भी आ जाओ।
architecture.
बोलना मत, आ जाओ प्लीज, कम जॉइन अस, आ जाओ, सब आ जाओ ना, बाद में चले जाना ही टेना, कम कम कम
So we should
कम,
we should be proposing.
बोलो बोलो, कंटिन्यू आई जॉइन यू, स्पीक
We should be promoting
The mic.
our architecture more than foreign architecture. So I believe that the architecture of India, which is very rich among the world, so the above buildings in Delhi, the Lieutenant Delhi, should have been designed in such a way that they promote more architecture of India.
वंडरफुल, लाइक व्हाट ही सेड। अभिषेक, अभी मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, आप रहिए ना इधर, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि जो अंग्रेज जब भारत से छोड़ के गए तो हमारा वो सर्कुलर पार्लियामेंट था, राइट? एंड उसके बारे में बोलते हैं कि कोई लोग बोलते हैं जीरो होता है वो, आई डोंट नो आर्किटेक्चर क्या ही बोलते हैं, शून्य। तो वो शून्य में इंडिया का प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं। अब मोदी जी ने जो बनाया, इट्स समथिंग लाइक अ ट्रायंगल बट इट्स मोर लाइक अ रोम्बस। तो अगर आपको अगले 5 साल के बाद बोला जाए कि एक और पार्लियामेंट बनाना है और इस बार दिल्ली से बाहर बनाना है, जैसे सरयू नदी है ना अयोध्या में, जैसे ये बोल रहे हैं टेम्पल, तो मैं इन्हीं की बात को आगे लेके बोल रहा हूँ। अगर मेरे को उसका वो दे दिया जाए कि द वेन्यू ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट हैज टू बी चेंज, तो सरयू, तो आप क्या बनाएंगे वहाँ पे? पार्लियामेंट कैसा बनाएंगे, किस टाइप में?
जैसा कि अभी हम एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज एन आर्किटेक्ट, जैसा कि हम देख पा रहे हैं कि अभी तो दिल्ली में जैसा एक रेडियल प्लानिंग पे वर्क हो रखा है पहले से, हम लोग जैसा देख रहे हैं कि वो एक रेडियल प्लानिंग हम
कंट्री ग्रो हो रहा है,
हाँ, वो
बढ़ रहा है, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है,
Population तो बढ़ रही है।
2 बिलियन होने वाला है, तो ज्यादा पार्लियामेंट में एक अपन बड़ा बनाएंगे, कैसा डिजाइन करेंगे आप उसको?
सर हम लोग तो ऐसे परसेप्टिव को देखेंगे, उससे हमारी सारी चीजें जैसे टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर, हाँ टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर इज गुड, यस।
कहाँ से लेंगे टेम्पल? मैसूर टेम्पल,
No,
मैसूर
sir.
पैलेस।
नॉर्दर्न स्टाइल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर एंड साउदर्न स्टाइल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर,
But there are so many common elements between every architecture. I mean,
blend
buildings.
everything.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Not that
Ishwarna. I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu, which place?
Madurai. I'm from Madurai, and
I've
I'm.
been there also. We traveled 14 days back, just up to Rameshwaram.
Oh, it's good.
Kerala, you know.
Okay.
And what's your name?
Sunil Sanjay.
Live there. Yeah, and where are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Yeah.
And आपका introduction नहीं हुआ था?
Yes, Raj from Patna.
Good. तो अभी continuation में I'm very excited to meet you fellows and since you are the future you know people are the जैसे वो क्या बोलते हैं एक वास्तु पुरुष होता है और एक विश्वकर्मा होता है जो कि वो build you know everything so इन्होंने दोनों ने बोला do you agree with them temple architecture
You can just follow the same tradition thing.
suppose you have given this
Okay.
case study you know बनाना है आपको 5 साल के बाद तो क्या बनाएंगे
Like we can build the same tradition in a contemporary way.
okay
So which blends with modernism as well the culture follows.
or it will be triangle or it will be square or it will be like a star
No, no.
pentagon type
Actually, radial works well.
okay what about you
Actually, it's not depends on the shape. We have to show up the motto, which is the cultural. We have to showcase our culture actually by adding the elements in that any shape actually. It can be round or it can be a triangle or it can be a hexagon or pentagon, whatever. Seeing
no so architecturally vastu wise I just wanted to understand because I have not done architecture so I don't know the actual fundamentals no so fundamentally was the round parliament creating hindrance for India's growth story
that's wonderful. Like round is the most easy and most functionable way for architecture in urban designing, where everybody can easily cross and easily circulate in that way. So that's best I can say. Yeah.
because when we are sitting the member of parliament abhi we have 540 plus members gradually they are you know trying to increase number of constituency and everything so it will cross 700 800 and India population will keep on growing then you people will feel after some time that architecture की जगह तो we'll do some you know politics तो what do you say this अभी जो ये वाला ठीक चलेगा 5 साल के लिए उसके बाद क्या डिजाइन करेंगे what shape you think it's a brainstorming
Depends on
कोई सुन लेगा तो
different
शायद अपन
populations
को
and
फंडिंग कर देगा मेरे को बना देगा चीफ आर्किटेक्ट
Yeah.
how many stories should be चलो मल्टी स्टोरी चलेगा
Going with an G
Because
plus
I
one.
build up 101 story parliament
It should not be. That won't be like that actually. That can't adapt like a 101 story building. That can't adapt that kind of. We can't blend with that building actually.
we'll make it earthquake resistant we'll make it you know all like nuclear bomb proof everything it won't work.
It
doesn't
won't
go
work
with
as in Indians. It feels like completely a separate building which just been planted in that way. It should be related to us. As architecture, is a part of humans. It's not like completely a different part where we just design something and everybody is living in it. It should be responsible and responsive for humans as in that way.
So I think मैं आप लोग का पहले thank you करता हूँ as an architect you have given a new vision because the Prime Minister Narendra Modi I used to meet him in 2001 we used to sit like we are chatting you know my father was very well known to him and after that we did not get the opportunity he sent me one letter which he has sent to millions of Indians Dear Sanjay ji, happy Diwali, you know. Then I told my sister who's in Chhattisgarh. So she said, oh, तो मैंने कहा नीचे में वो लिखा है that I can contact him, you know. So it's all today. See, means I have grown up last 40 years. I have not seen such a prime minister. People do criticize him, but then you cannot be like silent also, no. I was talking to Muskan, so she said कि he's so much interactive. इट इज परीक्षा पे चर्चा या मन की बात पे उसका खुद का था आप लोग देखते हैं मन की बात या परीक्षा पे चर्चा तो कैसा है उसमें हाउ डू यू फील
That's nice. And taking interview for some special person
वेरी गुड
like Amitabh Bachchan and too many actors and actress and CM and PM also are there for interview.
आप लोग का स्पोर्ट्स में यू आर इनटू स्पोर्ट्स एनी
Not much.
Not much.
Yeah.
Sports?
Not,
Football,
not
cricket?
much. Just watch. I mean, we watch in college. I'm also. I mean, not much.
Not even table tennis?
I play basketball.
Basketball. Oh, I am asking, the question was towards the Olympics. India is trying to, seek that हम लोग इंडिया में ओलंपिक्स को होल्ड करें. तो मेरा तो मानना है, वी हेल्ड सो मेनी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, कि इंडिया हैज टू हैव द एप्टीट्यूड एंड एटीट्यूड. वो एटीट्यूड और एप्टीट्यूड कहाँ से आएगा? You guys, the youngsters should have, because I attended Asiad. Asiad was a game in '82 when we were, first time international sports came to India. All the Delhi stadiums were built. The Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, I think it is sitting 75,000 people. Then Indira Gandhi Stadium, the infrastructure हमारा boost हुआ. So Olympics होएगा तो definitely the country, the resources utilize होगा, and उसके लिए we have to have a national character. अब मोदी जी has given a lot of spirit to the sportsmen today. कल नीरज चोपड़ा जो हैं, देखा है आपने उनका javelin? He became the lieutenant colonel in the army, and whenever the team is going to foreign land, तो मोदी जी is interacting with them. तो वो बहुत मैंने देखा है, मतलब we are not just praising the PM. It is about कि मतलब how do you feel? आप लोगों को कैसा लगता है जब वो interaction होता है उनका? When he meets the sportsmen and all.
Me.
हाँ, suppose PM is meeting the sportsperson before they go for Asiad, Olympics. Like कैसा लगता है?
He'll be like
He's giving them that,
the advice, and then the
उससे हिम्मत आ रहा है ना.
what's that?
You're getting strength.
Yes.
The sportsman who is going to play there, he gets strength.
He
and
gets the
PM
confidence,
has
yes.
Confidence is building. It isn't
Yeah, it will be hope. Yeah.
Very good. Chalo, we'll now end it.
Yeah.
So, sir, we just recording, sir. So, no, it's fine. So, we'll just end it.
Yeah.
So, as a youth, you people, I was talking to Muskan ki 2047. You people will be that time little senior people. तो आप लोग कहाँ देखते हैं भारत को 2047 में?
It will be developed for sure, but
Developed nation. From
yeah,
third world
developed.
country.
Yeah, it will be crossing to the second, I say, but development will be on the
Third
surface.
नहीं, second.
Second for sure. But the development will be on the surface. It won't be till roots. I'm sure for like it won't. The development won't go till the roots. As in like
How to get to the roots?
I'm not that into politics, so I
No,
don't.
we are not talking politics. See, you people or me,
As we
if
come-
I am holding your mind today, means this is all think tank work what we are doing. Na? We are not. I'm not a politician. No, Modi is not even watching my interview that he's going to make me the Minister of Culture tomorrow. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. But he's got a good idea. आपका क्या है? क्या ना? इंडिया को कहाँ देख रहे हैं आप?
For my concern, it will be growing too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Number 2. ये 3 या 1?
One.
अमेरिका को रिप्लेस अमेरिका
Yes,
कहाँ जाएगा?
yes.
अमेरिका कहाँ
Yes.
जाएगा? अमेरिका ट्रम्प तो चला जाएगा, बाकी और भी कोई आएगा. What about you?
India is growing very fast.
Just only sense.
Like about architecture, like the main thing is the buildings must be the heritage buildings must be conserved and then preserved as well. So that will be a main thing. If like India in 2047, that will be a big
India,
thing.
where do you see in the ranking? Where do you see India?
Ranking. Yeah, into the top 5.
Top 5. It's still there.
Yes.
What would you? Where do you see India in 2047?
In 2047, India will get an extreme high value, like even in the traditional and even in the technological also. And I will rank up to in the top 3 actually.
Wonderful. Because see, I have been covering the Ministry of Science and Technology. Recently, we met Shubhanshu Shukla. So he's the one who traveled, And when I was a kid, so we were in Bombay, and I had that time seen Neil Armstrong. I was so small, my father took me sitting here, But I am part of that history because I really have seen, and I never dreamt in my lifetime कि इंडिया से अभी चंद्रयान, गगनयान, मत्स्ययान एक हो रहा है अंडर वाटर. So they are planning for 2030, 2040, because सब कुछ. Then we are having an international space station also. So there's a lot of activity and there's a good scope. So I think we wish you all the best, students. And you want to say something about any painting? Any painting you want to say? We go there.
This whole
What did you like the Goldie G's paintings?
actually the quality of painting is pretty much good, and the focus of Buddhism and the Indian mythology is very good. Actually, it got very abstracted in the way, and it's all nice actually.
Yeah, you want to add something? Anything you want to? What was your reaction when you watched these paintings?
Yeah, she mentioned that like she haven't used the brushes.
Yeah, spatula.
Spatulas. Yeah, and the thing is like she made the realism into an abstract art, which wasn't an real abstract, but it made a reality.
Wonderful. Yeah. Your friend. इनका last word है. She's the man.
Thank you. Painting all good, and our culture are showing in painting without using any brush, and it's too beautiful.
आप कौन सा बाई करेंगे अपने ऑफिस के लिए? गोल्डी जी ने मुझे बोला है. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि वो बोल रहे हैं कि आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट्स को मैं लोन पे दे दूंगी अभी. तो आप कौन सा लेंगे? ये वाला. चलो इनका ये सिलेक्शन हो गया. इसमें एक लगा देते हैं गोल्डी जी से परमिशन लेके. So thank you very much. So please visit IFX Gallery. This is a 7-day exhibition, and this is just started today on the 24th of October. And this is from morning 11 o'clock it starts, it's up to 7 o'clock. And this IFX Gallery is near the Rafi Marg metro station. आप लोग सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरीट मेट्रो पे आ सकते हैं, जब पटेल चौक आ सकते हैं. अगर आप लोग अपना गाड़ी या अपने बाइक से आएंगे तो यू कैन कम इन टू ड्राइव इन, देयर इज एम्पल पार्किंग. यहाँ पे 4 गैलरी हैं. तो अभी ये गैलरी A, B, C एंड D, 2 ऊपर है 2 नीचे है. 2 गैलरीज अभी एक्टिव हैं. तो शायद आप लोग जब तक आएंगे यू कैन कम एंड विजिट. दिस इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट गैलरीज, आई थिंक मोर देन 70 years. थैंक यू. दिस इज संजय अग्रवाल साइनिंग ऑफ.